French lovers, now welcome back to my YouTube channel. This right here is an ornament. It's so cute though. I'm debating about whether I want to get it or not, and it's $12.99. It's really cute. I like it. They got so many cute stuff here. Oh wait, let me go back and get these right here. How much is this? This one right here is $24.99. And they got so many, y'all. I was in Family Dollar the other day, and they had some for like $3, which was really cool. Let me go to the other aisle. So, I still haven't finished designing my room, and they got some cute wall art. This one says K, but if they had one with S, I would totally, or F, buy it. Like, you can't even see what this says. Look at it. That's crazy. This one right here is $9.99. These small ones right here are $7.99. And then they have this one with the puppy and the Louis Vuitton. It's pretty cute. Y'all, this is like spare the moment thing for me. I don't even want to stay here for too long. I came here for like sweaters and stuff, but look, they got like stuff for the floor. That one right there is pretty cute. Ooh, look at this one. This one is $20. And that is so cute, y'all. Let me take a picture.